Have you ever heard of drifting? From Japan, and the idea, the competition is based on producing the longest and most enduring sideways motoring, and you need a lot of horsepower. This car...
Okay.
European hills now because of the...
Benetton.
One of these cars driven by Dave Walker on the British Formula 3 Championship and the European. Now we've got carry four-wheel drive. Won the British Motorbike Championship in 1969 and 71, driven by David Hetland and Andrew four-wheel drive was put a bit of a blind alley in. Will be probably the bubble start to get it going. When David bought it, it wasn't in one Chevrolet and around. Hetland's four-wheel drive is now very fun. That was built by David.